Majority Leader, move the motion at order number 9 on today's order paper for the establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai, Governor of Kericho County. The motion failed to be seconded and therefore deemed to have been withdrawn pursuant to Standing Order 71 of the Senate Standing Orders. Now, Honorable Senators, as I communicated earlier by way of message, on the resolution of the Kericho County Assembly made on the 15th of August 2025 for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai, Governor of Kericho County, Section 33(3)(a) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B of the Senate provide that the Senate may, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter or investigate the matter in plenary. The motion having been withdrawn, the route of a special committee is abandoned. The Senate will proceed to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai, Governor of Kericho County, in plenary pursuant to Section 33(a) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B2. Now, Honorable Senators, at its meeting held today, Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, the Senate Business Committee considered the provisional dates for this investigation in the event that the matter was to be investigated in plenary. In line with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, I hereby give the following directions. A, the clerk to issue invitation to appear to the parties on Thursday, 21st of August, 2025. B, the parties to file their responses with the office of the clerk of the Senate by Monday, 25th of August, 2025 by 5 p.m. C, the clerk to circulate documents received from the parties, including the plenary hearing program, to all honorable senators by close of business on Tuesday, 26th of August, 2025. And lastly, the Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Wednesday, 27th of August, 2025, Thursday, 28th of August, 2025, and Friday, 29th of August, 2025. The Senate is hereby accordingly guided. Thank you.